Imagine this for a moment. You wake up every single morning, reach for your phone, and see that fresh money has already been deposited into your account while you were peacefully sleeping. There's no angry boss sending you messages, no loud alarm clock forcing you out of bed, and no exhausting daily commute stuck in traffic. What if your investments could reliably generate more passive income every single month than what you currently earn from your full-time job? In this video, we're going to follow the real journey of Alex, an ordinary guy who works a regular 9-to-5 job just like many of us. He started with only modest savings and a commitment to consistent small actions over time. Over the years, he carefully built a portfolio made up of 8 powerful assets that now produce enough passive income to completely replace his previous salary. If you're feeling tired of constantly trading your limited time and energy for money, and you dream of a future where your money works hard for you instead, then I encourage you to stay with me until the very end of this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad you're here today. Today we're going to dive deep into one of the most life-changing and practical topics in all of personal finance. So why exactly is investing so incredibly powerful? The main reason is that it harnesses the remarkable force of compounding, where your money starts earning money on top of itself. Someone who begins investing consistently in their 30s can often build far more wealth in the long run than a person who earns a much higher salary but never puts any of it to work in the markets. And Alex is living proof that this approach really works in real life. He had a completely normal job, came from an average family with no rich relatives, and had no special advantages or shortcuts. He simply started small, remained disciplined through the years, and focused on choosing assets that could generate real, sustainable cash flow. In this video, I'm going to clearly show you the exact 8 assets that Alex used to reach financial freedom. We'll go through realistic numbers, what kind of returns you can reasonably expect, the risks involved, and most importantly, how you can begin building your own portfolio, even if you're starting with very limited money right now. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Asset number 1 is dividend stocks. These are shares of strong, well-established companies that regularly pay you a portion of their profits every single quarter. The very best ones are known as dividend aristocrats, companies that have proudly increased their dividend payments for 25 years or more in a row. When built properly, a solid dividend portfolio can provide you with a reliable 4 to 6% yield. For example, if you have $500,000 invested in such a portfolio, it can generate between $20,000 and $30,000 per year in passive income. And here's the best part. If you reinvest those dividends during the early years, the power of compounding can dramatically accelerate your overall growth. Asset number 2 is broad market index funds. Rather than spending time trying to pick winning individual stocks, you can simply own a small piece of the entire market by investing in low-cost index funds. Over long periods of time, the stock market has delivered average annual returns of approximately 10% when including dividends. Asset number 3 is real estate. This includes direct rental properties that can deliver steady monthly cash flow along with property value appreciation over the years. You can also invest through REITs, which are real estate investment trusts that trade like regular stocks and often pay attractive dividend yields between 5 and 8%, all without the daily responsibilities of being a traditional landlord. Asset number 4 is bonds and fixed income investments. These investments provide crucial stability and predictable payments in the form of interest. Asset number 5 is peer-to-peer lending and private credit. Through modern platforms, you can earn attractive returns that often range from 8 to 12% by lending money to individuals and small businesses. Asset number 6 is digital assets and scalable online businesses. These are things you create once and then continue to earn from repeatedly, often generating income around the clock with very little ongoing effort required. Asset number 7 is royalties from intellectual property. Whether from books, music, patents, or digital content, these can provide truly passive income streams that continue paying you long after the initial work is finished. Asset number 8 is gold and commodities. Adding a portion of these assets helps protect your overall portfolio from inflation and major market crashes by providing excellent diversification. So the big question is, how exactly do you combine these 8 assets into a complete system that can eventually replace your salary? Alex calls his personal mix the Freedom Portfolio. To safely replace a $60,000 annual salary, financial experts generally recommend building up around $1.5 million in invested assets and following the conservative 4% withdrawal rule. The great news is that you don't need to reach this target overnight. Alex himself started with just a few $100s per month. He made it a habit to increase his contributions whenever he received a raise or bonus at work. Thanks to the incredible power of compounding, these small and consistent actions over 10 to 20 years can lead to truly massive results. At its core, investing is so advantageous because it gradually shifts the burden away from your own limited time and daily energy onto the unlimited growth potential of your capital. The truth is that financial freedom isn't something reserved only for lucky people or those who were born rich. It is steadily built by ordinary individuals who make smart, consistent choices over many years. The most important step is to simply start where you are right now, today. Go ahead and open a basic investment account. Begin by investing whatever amount you can comfortably afford at this moment. Make it a goal to increase that contribution amount every single year. Keep educating yourself by reading good books and learning from reliable sources. And always stay patient when the markets go through their natural ups and downs. So tell me honestly in the comments, which of these 8 assets are you most excited to learn more about or actually begin investing in? I read every comment, so please share your thoughts below. And if this video brought you some real clarity and motivation today, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. Also, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos. In the next video, we'll take a much deeper look at exactly how Alex built his first $100,000. Always remember this important truth: your future self at age 40, 50, or 60 is quietly counting on the smart decisions you choose to make today. The best time to have started investing was yesterday, but the second best time, and the one you still control, is right now. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I really hope to see you again in the next one. Take care of yourself and start building your own financial freedom today.